Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to merge cells within a table in Microsoft Word document. So let's say in this table, I want to add a row first. So let's say I want to add a heading of this table, and I need to add a new row in this table. So in order to do that, I put my cursor over here. You can put a cursor over here as well, or here, it doesn't matter, and right click and insert. So I'm going to insert a row above. So above this row, I will create another row. So I want to create a heading over here. That's why I don't need this, I don't need this cells. I want to make it just one cell, right? So how do I do that? So select this thing, okay? And right click, and you'll find an option called merge cells. So click on merge cells and then see there's no cells. This is just the one cell, and I will write the table heading CAUSES, causes of biodiversity loss. Okay, and then select this text and go to home tab and center this text, and maybe we can use a bigger font in order to make it a title heading. Okay, so this is how you merge the cells within a table in Microsoft Word document. I hope this was helpful. If you find my channel helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.